Heroes. I'm Alice. I'm going to be your guide from now on. I'm going to show you the way. Before we enter the world of survival heroes, let's pass the novice trials. Once you pass the trials, then you can fight for real. But don't worry, I'll be with you every step of the way. All the nearby items that you can pick up can be found here. I've already filtered out items that won't be of use to you. After you pick up a weapon, you can use its main attack and its skills. There are 4 main types of equipment in survival heroes: head armor, chest armor, leg armor, and foot armor. In addition, there are 2 other kinds of equipment: binoculars and necklaces. Putting on the helmet will increase your attributes substantially. Wow, you're a real natural with that weapon. You've already got a good grasp on how to use it. We just got some equipment. Try it on and see how it fits. In addition to attribute bonuses and other foot equipment can increase your movement speed. Binoculars will increase view distance. In that battle. Let's use this HP potion to restore your health. Be aware that if you take damage while your potion's recovery is still in effect, your HP recovery will be interrupted. In survival heroes, you can usually find better equipment and resources in buildings. Make sure you check those first. Obsidian armor features powerful defensive attributes. After equipping it, you'll get powerful HP recovery capabilities. Now your HP will recover really quickly. Congratulations! You passed the test! But now it's time for the real trial. Survival. This is the preparation area. You can move around freely here. There's also a handy timer to let you know when the match will begin. Since this is your first time on the battlefield, you're only going up against 6 opponents this time. Defeat them and be the last one standing to win. This is a magic airship called the Black Gold. It'll take you all the way across the canyon. The airship is about to fly over the treasure town. Wow, the airship is now over Treasure Town. It said lots of treasures buried there. Let's drop there. You're falling pretty fast. Unless you want to hit the ground with a splat, you'd better open your parachute. Use the joystick to control your descent once your chute is open. As soon as you've landed, make your way to the nearest buildings and start looking for resources.
I will find a way.
Gather up all the equipment and items that you can use.
May my arrows fly true.
The safe area has been refreshed. The magic barrier will shrink soon. The safe area has been refreshed.
Pay attention to the magic barrier on the map. This is the white circle on your map. When the timer reaches 0, the magic barrier will begin to shrink. Royal chests contain lots of rewards. However, you'll need to find a key to be able to open one. Opening treasure chests and killing monsters are good ways to get XP.
Tremendous power flowing through
Accumulate
me.
enough XP to increase your character's level for that battle. Once your character reaches a certain level, your skills levels will increase too. collect enough gold to get goblin rewards. If you don't have enough gold, try killing some monsters to make some.
The magic barrier will shrink soon. The safe area has been refreshed.
There's nothing this blade
Use
can't
your
cut.
scout skill to scout out nearby enemy players. It will not only help you spot incoming threats, but also help give you the advantage you need to survive.
Shrink soon.
You've completed the trial. You're truly one of the chosen ones. I've got all kinds of gifts for you. Daily activity quests and level up your account, you can get all kinds of rewards.